Got the router table running like really sweet. I gotta get a piece of ABS, put it down, and level it so that everything's like trued up for cutting parts. I want to use this for cutting gaskets actually. So anyways, I got this all in, I got all tooling in there, and then I got vacuum hoses now. And then this one same way, this one I put the keyboard in here with some stuff, and what I'm doing is I'm trying dividers out to see how I like to put stuff. It's like I got so much stuff. And then like here, so when I get, if I like this, what I'm going to do, and I like how I did this one, I'm going to take 1/8 veneered plywood and make dividers, cut them, you know, slot them, glue them, all that good stuff. So I'm getting there. This one was like okay, except for these got to move a little forward because kind of a pain to reach in. So, you know, stuff like that, but getting all the tools hung up and all that good stuff. And I got like 3 boxes of files to go through yet and see which ones I want to even throw in here. That whole drawer will be filled. And I got sandpaper out the wazoo, just packages and packages of sandpaper and buffing and polishing. I mean, this is like a whole drawer of copper. So, and I got scrap tubing and plates and all kinds of stuff down there. So, I got my glass decks so I can sand stuff up in here. By the way, that little leaf blower has been like freaking awesome for getting like grinding dust and stuff out the door. Love it. It's so much better than sweeping. Like I sweep everything up and then blow the whole garage out now. And like, yeah, I got my little roller where I put my parts in. But yeah, all in all, I mean, everything's good. I finished all my shelving. I got to put all this stuff up there yet. All that's all clean. So, anyways, that's where we're at. But tons and tons and tons of parts, boxes. I got more boxes of stuff coming. But right now I am making non-marring tank tracks for the other project, which you guys have no idea what I'm talking about. But hey, speaking of what you do, I got the fuck you plate and the fuck off plate. So those are my 2 favorites out of, I think, out of all the motorized bicycles right there.